Hey YouTube, I'm working on the Samsung washer. There's the model and serial number. This thing, the door was locked because it had water in it, and we had to drain all the water out, and that allowed us to get the door open, but it still wouldn't drain. And we never heard any drain pump noise, and when we got into it, we found this little piece of wire in the drain filter. But after removing that, the drain pump still wouldn't work. So we took it all apart, and there must have been something else in there. Once we got the other item out of the drain pump, it started working again. So hope this might help somebody. Bye.